Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look at the Bitcoin market because here is also we see some progress in the price action. Our suggestion of the possible hand shoulders has been confirmed by the market because it has turned immediately right at the 618 resistance of this downward action to the downside, and collapse was rather strong. So you can see this actual market has dropped to the neckline with just one single candle in the 4-hour time frame chart and even greater. Now it sees some minor pullback, but at the same time the minimal target of the hand and shoulders has not been reached. As you can see, we have this A, B, C top pattern, which OP stands around 91.70, 91 area. So in general, it creates the agreement with the next confluence support in the 4-hour time frame chart. So that's approximately confirms the scenario that we discussed in the beginning of the week and last week. So we said that if we will get the hand and shoulders, this market will come from the first confluence, which will be the first target of the retracement, to the next confluence support, which will be the second, more extended retracement objective point. And that's what we have right now in place. So on the 4-hour time frame chart, we could consider also MACD predictor indicator, which could provide a possible grabber here if it will be formed. This will be additional signal for a possible downward continuation. But in general, even without the grabber, overall drop was really fast, and it's really suggest good chances on another leg down before retracement might be over. I'm not sure that definitely will happen, but at least that's the destination point that we could keep an eye on. On the hourly chart, as you can see, today we could get this minor upward pullback, which market creating currently, as you can see, some kind of the ABCD action, which could give us the catalyst cheaper to sell, and it creates the agreement with the 618 resistance of this recent drop. So it's approximately area 98.60. This could be the potential point where downward action could be reestablished on the market. Destination point of this ABCD pattern that is based on the head and shoulder stance approximately, as I said, 98 and 91 area. So that's the scenario that we'll keep an eye on in the nearest sessions today and maybe in the beginning of the next week.